Welcome to GMU Bioengineering. We are a young, growing, and active department offering bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. Our faculty are passionate instructors and world-renowned experts in their fields. Our department's expertise is divided into 4 research pillars: biomaterials and nanomedicine, biomedical imaging and devices, computational biomedicine, and neurotechnology and computational neuroscience. In our biomaterials and nanomedicine pillar, we design and build novel biomaterials and nanoparticles with applications in vaccines and therapeutics in cancer, regenerative medicine, and infectious diseases. Professor Holman's lab is developing an innovative tissue-engineered blood clot system. This precision medicine device is different from traditional blood tests because it treats the clot like an organoid, a living tissue that can release biological factors. A major goal of this research is to find a biological explanation for why so many African Americans and Hispanics are experiencing more severe reactions to COVID-19. Professor Veneziano is designing and assembling novel biomimetic 3D DNA nanoparticles that are used to examine the role of viral antigen valency and nanoscale organization on the immune response. These nanoparticles will aid the design of novel, efficacious vaccine strategies against infectious diseases such as COVID-19. The versatility of these nanoparticles make them readily applicable to other biomedical applications such as targeted drug delivery. Professor Bushman is designing and synthesizing new ionizable lipids that are the key components of the lipid nanoparticles that are used to deliver messenger RNA, for example in the current clinical trials for COVID-19. The properties of these ionizable lipids in the nanoparticle determine the ability of these nanoparticles to target specific cells and release the mRNA once inside a cell, so it can be translated into the immunogen or the therapeutic protein by the cell's machinery. Researchers in the biomedical imaging and devices pillar develop novel imaging technologies for understanding physiological function and diseases, as well as for guiding clinical intervention and rehabilitation. Our faculty, Drs. Sikdar and Chitnis, specialize in ultrasound and photoacoustic technologies. Work spans multiple scales, from understanding cell signaling all the way to human motor function. Examples of some projects are photoacoustic imaging of neuronal signaling and vascular function of the brain to understand neurovascular coupling, examine the relationship between carotid disease and cognitive deficits, integrating flexible ultrasound transducers and bandages to actuate hydrogel implants for localized drug delivery to improve wound healing, and using ultrasound to assess muscle function and control powered prosthetic devices. Their research is enabled by close collaborations with several academic, industry, and health partners and supported by NIH, NSF, VA, DoD, and DARPA. We also have a new NSF-funded graduate training program in disability research for students who want to apply engineering solutions to address complex and pressing societal needs. Researchers in the computational biomedicine pillar focus on the development and application of image-based, patient-specific computational modeling and simulation, as well as data analytics to study a variety of diseases, surgical interventions, and medical devices. The goal of this research is to gain understanding of the disease mechanisms, enhance diagnosis, improve treatment planning, and optimize medical procedures and devices. Dr. Sibral specializes in blood flow simulation and applications to cerebral aneurysms and stroke. Dr. Ikomedu specializes in image processing and video analytics. And Dr. Wei specializes in biomechanics of human motion and data analytics. Examples of some projects include understanding progression and rupture of cerebral aneurysms using multimodality images and data sources, detailed modeling of the brain arterial network to understand the effects of procedures for stroke treatment, remote detection of vital signs from video data for health and stress monitoring, and image-based modeling of eye muscle biomechanics to understand strabismus. Finally, in our neurotechnology and computational neuroscience pillar, our researchers are investigating the most complex machine in the world, the brain. Work spans multiple scales from molecular level to whole brain, using a variety of experimental and computational techniques to investigate the nervous system, understand mechanisms involving various disorders, and develop devices to assist people. Dr. Pesciotto works on designing novel sensors and devices to interface with the neural system and assist people with disabilities and other neurological conditions. Dr. Blackwell uses experimental and computational approaches to investigate mechanisms involved in learning, addiction, and Parkinson's disease. Dr. Ascoli is developing data-driven models and neuroinformatics tools to investigate neural circuits from molecular to whole brain scales. All research is enabled by close collaborations with several academic, industry, government, and health partners, and supported by NIH, NSF, and HFSP. We offer both a master's and PhD program. Our master's program prepares our students to pursue a variety of careers in industry, government, and research, or to pursue further studies. Our curriculum is designed to educate leaders who understand and appreciate how biomedical technology is translated from bench to bedside. Students are required to take 30 to 33 credits. We offer both full-time and part-time options. In our program, students will take 18 core courses, including courses from each of our research pillars. Example courses include biomedical imaging, neural engineering, tissue engineering, and biomedical data analytics. In addition, we offer a pathophysiology and technology course taught by 4 clinicians from Innova, and a product development, regulatory affairs, and intellectual property course taught by industry experts. Students in our master's program can choose to do a research thesis, a practicum, or become specialized to do additional coursework. As part of that practicum experience, students can obtain internships through local institutions and companies. Our PhD program prepares students to pursue a variety of careers in academia, industry, health policy, and regulatory affairs. Students can choose from one of 4 concentrations that correspond to our research pillars. Faculty and students enjoy unique access to local federal institutions and local medical centers, including the NIH, FDA, and Innova Hospital, just to name a few. Students are required to take 72 credits, including core bioengineering courses, and 12 credits in their chosen concentration. Students can also do up to 2 one-semester lab rotations. We provide funding support for all our PhD students through multiple mechanisms, including scholarships, fellowships, and NSF research trainingship, graduate research assistantships, and graduate teaching assistantships. Beyond our many collaborators, we also have a 32-member advisory board. The Mason Bioengineering Alliance is a distinguished group of individuals from biotech and pharma, the medical device industry, government, and health industry and investment. They provide critical industry and institutional advisory support to the department's activities and programs. They also help lead the definition and execution of the department's strategic research plan. And they support various activities in education, research, commercialization, and fundraising. Come be a part of our diverse Mason family. Hear now from one of our former students.
It's been amazing, and actually, we've worked with many amputees to see them use this technology and seeing that it works and that it's way more intuitive for them and they don't need an elaborate training session and they can go into it and use it how they want. It's really amazing. Having a mentor really to give you that guidance and not tell you what to do so much as to help you figure out what you want to do, I think is extremely valuable, especially if it's someone that has, a very passionate attitude towards working with students, which is the general attitude that I've seen with professors at Mason.
For more information about our research areas, please check out the following websites. You can take a quick picture or scan the QR codes. Register below to indicate your research interests and enter a raffle to win reimbursement for the BMES registration fees. Please click the button below the video or scan the QR code here. We would love to hear from you. All students who register also receive a waiver of application fees when applying to our graduate programs. Thank you for stopping by our booth. Have a wonderful day. We're here to answer any questions and we hope to see you soon. Thank you again.